And do you find that practice kind of sees its way into organizations as well, especially those who have a hard time changing their mindset?
Yes, because people do not understand anything but silos. And so you can have a philosophy of let's work together, and you can have a philosophy that says let's put the organization first. Mm-hmm. But if you don't change the habits of mindset and the habits of behavior, which really the habits of behavior equate to execution. That's what execution is.
Okay.
Execution is not how skilled you are. Execution isn't just how effective your processes are. Execution are the habits involved both mentally and behaviorally to perform that process, to perform your skills appropriately. You can have the competency and not apply them well. We've seen many individuals do that on star athletic teams, but also in organizations.
Yeah.
And they cause havoc. You have people that are super talented that are still playing heroics, and they want to be the hero. So all of a sudden they cut everybody else off, and yes, they're the hero, but they cause so many problems in their way. So it's like, execution is all about teamwork, but unfortunately, even programs like 5 Dysfunctions of a Team and those talk about the philosophy of it, but they never quite get to how do you translate the philosophy into what are we actually going to do differently habitually. And it's a habit only when you practice it enough and repeat it enough that it becomes automatic.
Right.
Otherwise, when you get stressed, you'll go back to your old habits. And that's what organizations do.
Okay.
They promise agreements, they make agreements, they come up with whatever their habits are or whatever they want to do philosophically that they learn from the training program, but as soon as they get back into the workplace where there's stress and overwhelm and crisis that happen, they slip back into their old habits.